Curious George at the aquarium. This is George. He was a good little monkey and always very curious. Today, George and the man with the yellow hat was visiting the aquarium. George, said the man, please wait here while I buy tickets. George tried to wait, but he was so excited. What was inside? He wanted to look over the walls, but they were too high. Yeah. Just then, he heard a splash and a whoosh. Water flew high in the air. People cheered. And what could it be? George was curious. He hoped over the gate into the aquarium. How surprised he was. Swimming right in front of George were two beluga whales. The mother and baby beluga whale swam right past him. They were swimming seals. Not far away was a family of sea lions, diving and splashing with fun. George noticed people walking toward a big door. Could there be more to see? He followed the crowd. Now where is he? It was a darker inside. There were fishes everywhere. George did not know where to look first. In one tank there was sharp-toothed piranhas. In another tank were seahorses. In another tank there was a large red octopus. George saw a group of children across the room. An aquarium staff member was pointing to different sea creatures. This is a starfish. This is a clam. And this is a urge. Nearby, there was a long, low, colorful tank. It was perfect for touching. George was curious. As he reached his hand to the water, a large crab came crawling out under a rock right toward his finger. Snap! Ouch! Poor George. He didn't like his exhibit. George slipped out of the door into the sunlight. But oh, what was going on here? George saw fat, funny looking black, white flash fish under the water. As he watched it drew up the water, what kind of fish does that? Where do they go? George wondered. Where penguins live. George climbed up into the exhibit. There were not fish at all, but penguins, of course. George hopped like a penguin, flapped his wings like a penguin, and waddled like a penguin. A crowd gathered and laughed, but he slid on his belly like a penguin. The aquarium staff stopped to check on his penguins and a monkey in the penguin exhibit. George opened the door to escape, but instead all the penguins ran outside. Penguins everywhere. The staff was angry at George. How could they catch all the penguins? All the excitement, nobody knows that penguin chick falling into the water, but no one but George. The baby queen hadn't learned to swim yet. As only a monkey can, George scaled the rope hanging over the beluga tank and swung over the water, saving the chick. The director of the aquarium and the man with the yellow hat heard the commotion and came running. The monkey helped the baby penguin, and a boy in the crowd. No one else could save him. The director thanked George for his help and made him an honorary staff member of the aquarium. George said goodbye to his new penguin friends, and he could not wait to come back to the aquarium and visit them again.